limbe kod ohala e kaunti ma Mombasa koni thoth magawa mani kono dich kaluwore gi kwan welo mathoth matimo limbe Mombasa to chutho jood bura mawuok e pinje Afrika ma ugwe madhi nyime kod tuke mopogore Mombasa. Kanoloso e nyasi mar moko taya mar yiend Krismas, apisa maduong' e migawo mar limbe kod ohala Pauline Oginga noko ni otende mathoth sani osechopo e kwan atamalo 100, gino makoro kelo yuto kod buonjo ne jogo manie sekta no. Bende nomedo wacho ni gitemo gayo wach mar dhung'ruok mar nyamburko e chuny bomano ka kwan mathoth mag welo kaachiel gi weg ohala bende jiwo jotend arita mondo med jiwo arita Mombasa. Piem mar tukego gikone okelo dhano mohewo 3,000 kanyakla.
By the end of the 2 weeks, we are anticipating economically the county must have at least grown in terms of dollars, coolers, whatever currency that the wananchi has brought home. For us, we are requesting residents, please, let's treat these visitors with caution. If you light the Christmas light, remember, be a candle that is lighting other people's candles as well. So I wish you well during this festive season. For those who will be traveling, drive safely. For those who will be celebrating around, don't overspeed. Don't drive carelessly along the road.
We welcome everybody down to Mombasa. We welcome them for Christmas. We have a fantastic theme for this Christmas, which is called the Tribal Safari, where we'll be experiencing all cuisines of Africa to share with our guests. And also we have curated extremely well sought out city tours through the ocean. There's nothing like a city tour through the sea. Not through the walking, but through the sea. You get to see the history of Mombasa and the culture of the people, as well as experience the street food that is Mombasa. I think for the city of Mombasa, what we require the most is more lighting, and as well as just security in general, to ensure that all our guests that are coming in during this period of season, and this during period of celebration,